On everyone, got a 2022 Chevy Traverse key fob here, and we're going to open it up to replace the battery. So if we look down at the bottom right here on the left side, there's a button right here that we're going to push with our thumb, hold it down, and then we can pull out the emergency key. It unlocks the emergency key, and we're going to pull that out. Now with it pulled out, it's going to allow us to split the remote open. Okay, it's going to give us a little better access to doing that, okay, or ability to doing that. So I'm using a small flathead screwdriver, and I'm actually going to use these corners that are right here to pry against. So I'm doing this motion here, and that's going to allow me to open it up like that. Now I got to take the remote. The back half is what holds the battery, and you just take a flathead screwdriver, pop the battery right out. It's just press fit in there. Pull it out. Battery size is going to be a CR2032 battery, and there's a positive sign right here. It's facing down when we put it in, so we can't read it anymore. Okay, so if you need a battery, you can check the description box down there, and there'll be a link to you to Amazon where you get the correct size battery for this remote. Okay, they're like $2, so if you need one, you can go there and get one, and then we'll just get the two halves and we'll put them together. And we'll start at the top and work our way down. Just click it back together, and then you just get the key, and it should walk right in. And if it does, you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me, or leave a comment, or leave both. It'd be great. And I hope to see you again in another video.